Yeah, when the lady came out to bought the two, I said, you know, I said, they're cheaper by the dozen. She laughed.
Take all 6.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm getting a video.
But there just really aren't many Frenchies around this area.
No, there's not.
And because these people,
No.
they had originally bought, they were buying a female out of Kentucky for their daughter, and they showed me the picture of her, and well, the dog was suffering from heat exhaustion. They left the dog outside, and it was just a little puppy. They left it in the sun or something. Yeah, and that was going to cost them like $2,000 for the puppy plus shipping it to them. So they didn't go through with it. And they didn't get the puppy because they were afraid, well, the people instead they thought the puppy was going to die. Yeah. And so the heat is